He did, dude. He was just fucking.
He was fucking rocking back and forth there for a minute.
He's like, wow.
Turn so fucking close!
Back it up, punch it, drop the
Dude,
clutch.
send it from about yay!
Honestly, dude, back right up in fucking first gear. Hey!
He's too determined to sit low. He ain't gonna get that rock back though. There's one good tire.
Awesome, Brady.
Oh, that ain't Brady. That's
Who's that?
Yo, what's up? That's Logan.
Oh, is it?
Cole sent, he's like, dude, what